following the centre's decision to reduce the excise duty on petrol and diesel by rupees 5 and rupees 10 respectively, the central government has started in an official release that 22 states so far have reduced the VAT on petrol and diesel and 14 haven't. Here's a report.
A day after Centre slashes excise duty on fuel, we are seeing the implementation coming here in UT. Also, as the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has also implemented this order and has announced the relief to the commoners as the fuel prices have cut down to 7 rupees per litre. The diesel and the petrol prices have come down, although this is coming at a time when the central government has received a lot of criticism from the opposition. As we talk to the people on ground, some of them are saying that it is a relief, particularly to the daily wages, but at the same time, as far as the transport sector is concerned and the people associated with the transport or the manufacturing sector is concerned, they are saying that still the prices are skyrocketing. And will it help in getting the cost of the essential commodities down? Because at present, if we talk about the cost of the vegetables or for that matter other essential items, the cost is still very high. Needs to be seen that how the government will take as far as the challenge of the fuel cost is concerned. But as of now, yes, the petrol as well as the diesel prices have come down also in Srinagar, parts of Jammu and Kashmir.
Union government has cut the tax on petrol and diesel prices. Meanwhile, certain states and UTs has also reduced their own tax share from the petrol as well as from the diesel. And in fact, right now we are standing in Chandigarh petrol station, where I can show you the current price of diesel as well as petrol. The diesel is now costing 80 rupees 90 paisa per litre, whereas petrol in today's rate is costing 94.23 per litre. And in fact, after reducing the price on the fuels 5 rupees per litre on petrol and 10 rupees per litre on diesel, UT administration has also reduced their tax share on diesel from 14.02% to 6.66%. And even on petrol, the UT has also reduced their VAT percentage from 22.45% to 15.24%. That states that now currently the price of the diesel as well as petrol has been reduced by multiple times, and it is a big reliever for the people and even a Diwali gift from the Union government. Meanwhile, following the line of the Union government, the UT administration, Chandigarh administration has also reduced their own share, and we will try to talk to some of the people who are standing in the queue to refill their tanks. Sir, कैसे देखते हैं आप पेट्रोल और डीजल के प्राइस जो हैं वो लगातार कम हुए? पहले यूनियन गवर्नमेंट ने किए, अब चंडीगढ़ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने भी जो प्राइस हैं वो कम कर दिए हैं।
सर, पेट्रोल कम हो गया, खुशी की बात है, पर इतना ज़्यादा नहीं कम हुआ जितना बड़ा है।
तो अभी आप और डिमांड करते हैं कि और कम होना चाहिए?
हाँ सर, अभी और कम होना चाहिए।
So even the people are still demanding to reduce the prices of petrol as well as diesel more on this, just because this is a big burden on the people. And in fact, after reducing 5 rupees on petrol, the petrol price in Chandigarh was yesterday 100 point something on per litre on Diwali. And in fact, after that, Chandigarh administration has also reduced their VAT percentage. So now petrol is reached to 94.23 per litre, rupees 94.23 per litre, and even diesel is 80.90 per litre. So this is the current price of the petrol and diesel after reducing their UT's percentage as well as union government tax percentage. So now the petrol prices and diesel prices has been reduced to multiple times, but people are still demanding that it is still very expensive. It has to reduce more and more from this point also. With video journalist Aman Gupta, this is Amandeep Dikshit for Republic Media Network, Chandigarh.
A day after Union government reducing the prices of petrol and diesel by 5 rupees and 10 rupees respectively, the Jammu and Kashmir government too has reduced the prices by 7 rupees both on petrol as well as on diesel. And what is bearing the impact on the common man? I'll request Gaurav to show that the petrol is at present at 80 rupees. That is, it has come down by effectively 19 rupees. And petrol has come down from 109 to 96 rupees. That is a 13 rupees difference is being noticed. And what people feel, we'll try to ask them. सर ये जो फ्यूल के प्राइजेस में फ़र्क आया है, काफ़ी ऊपर गए थे, तो इससे बजट में कुछ फ़र्क पड़ेगा, कुछ राहत मिलेगी थोड़ी बहुत?
और लोगों को राहत तो मिलेगी, पर ये सरकार का फैसला पहले होना चाहिए था।
सर आप चाहते हैं कि
तो अच्छा था
और राहत मिले, ऐसा
अब मिलना तो चाहिए और मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी बहुत कम है। 110 के करीब पहुंच गया था, कहाँ 86 85 था, तो और राहत मिल जाए तो अच्छा है लोगों की।
People want more and more relief from the government. We'll try to speak to some more people what actually they feel. सर आप रेगुलर कम्यूटर हैं, तो सर कितना फ़र्क पड़ेगा जो 19 रुपये डीजल कम हुआ या 13 रुपये पेट्रोल?
हमें डेली का 200 रुपये का फ़र्क पड़े जितनी हमारी गाड़ी चलती है।
6,000 रुपये
प्रति महीने का।
तो सर और रिलीफ चाहते हैं सरकार से?
सरकार से चाहते हैं जो पहला रेट था 50-52 रुपये वही होना चाहिए। गरीब आदमी, किसान आदमी मर रहा है, जनरेटर चला रहे हैं, बाकी शौक से कोई गाड़ी चलाता नहीं है, हर आदमी को कोई ना कोई मजबूरी।
So very important that it is the need of the hour and that's why the people are on the roads, they are driving the vehicles. We'll try to speak to some more people who are here. भाई साहब आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कितना फ़र्क पड़ेगा ये जो पेट्रोल डीजल के प्राइसेस कम हो?
जी बिल्कुल थोड़ा बहुत तो पड़ेगा, बट अगर कुछ और होगा तो अच्छा रहेगा हमारे लिए भी।
तो कितना बजट में फ़र्क पड़ेगा इससे, आपको क्या लगता है महीने की?
अभी तो कितना ही कम हुआ ना अभी। जी
कुछ फ़र्क मतलब आप चाहते
हाँ
हैं
थोड़ा बहुत तो पड़ेगा।
और
जी बिल्कुल।
So the people are happy with the step, but they also want some more relaxation should be given to them so that it will bear some good impact on them. It will bear something massive on their budget, and they save. They want that the prices should come down to 50-55 like it was earlier. With Gaurav Sahani, Gursimran Singh for Republic Media Network.